Hello everybody, welcome to NSEC Tech Times. My name is Netaji Subhash and today we have our HoD sir, Anupam sir. Hi sir.
Fine. Hello, how are you?
So sir, this is my first question not only from my side but from everyone sir. So can you explain that what is actually B.Tech CSE-AIML?
Yes, it's a very good question and very relevant. If you look at that 10, 15 years back, you can see there is some core courses like B.Tech Computer Science and Engineering, B.Tech Electronics Engineering, B.Tech Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering. Now, B.Tech CSE-AIML is something like that the amalgamation of computer science and engineering with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, artificial intelligence and machine learning, if you look at that particular syllabus of AICTE as well as the MACOUT, you can see lot of artificial intelligence and machine learning courses have been introduced in this curriculum from second year onwards, which is basically the list of the courses that has been introduced in the artificial intelligence and machine learning is basically available in various kind of electives in other disciplines. But here, for example, artificial intelligence and their labs are there in 4th semester, then machine learning and machine learning laboratory in the 5th semester, industrial machine learning applications are in the 6th semester. Whether you will get all these courses and the flavors in computer science and information technology and other discipline as an elective, not the laboratory components are there. So this is the key features of this artificial intelligence and machine learning syllabus, as well as you will get the touch of this deep learning, very important topic, deep learning. Lot of elective papers are there like natural language processing, quantum computing, social network analysis, vision, that is as well as image processing, graph theory, data mining, pattern recognition. So it's a huge, as well as cyber security you will get. So it's all over a particular syllabus which will give you the 160 credit point, and after completion of this particular course and as well as the degree, you will be achieve some kind of skill set that will basically involve in multiple discipline to apply. Like for example, if someone wants to work in the domain of cybersecurity, but he needs some kind of, he or she needs some kind of knowledge in the field of artificial intelligence. And if someone wants to work as an NLP engineer, that is natural language processing engineer, so he or she can easily absorb in NLP based companies, right? Like as you know that OpenAI is a,
Yes, sir.
right now is a hot topic, and
It's booming everywhere.
yes, it's booming. So they can choose it. There is a bucket, and it's also from that year they can choose any of the electives, and they need some kind of very important concept of AI/ML, which is in the second year and third year. So these are the key ingredients and prerequisites. But one of the most important topic is that all these important information like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, soft computing, you will need some sort of mathematical backbone. If you want to learn it properly, you need some kind of matter, which is well supported by this syllabus like linear algebra, probability and statistics, optimization techniques, which are already involved in the second and third year. So this syllabus is very well constructed and very important for the students who wants to involve in modern days technologies. So my request to each and everyone, if you want to avail the syllabus, please go through it, and if you like the mathematics and artificial intelligence, please join this course.
Yes, sir. I fully agree with you, sir. As I am currently in the second year, so we have started basics of machine learning. But yeah, machine learning subject is a little bit math heavy, so we need to be more confident in math. So yes, sir. But sir, one thing to ask: when I am currently in the second year and I have 2 more years to prepare for a job role. So what should I expect? Like for a entry level job, what should I expect from NSEC as a AIML student?
Yeah, very important question. And one of the most important part is that if you want to prepare yourself as a artificial engineer, intelligence engineer, or NLP engineer, or ML product manager, but at first you have to start with this coding skill. As you know that right now people are talking about some sort of interpreter like Python,
Yes, sir.
R. So they are working on it. But coding skill has been basically obsolete nowadays. But it is very important. At the very beginning, you are very much accustomed to the C programming or coding skill. So you have to keep touch with the coding, because most of the cases when company will come, they will looking for some of the coding skill. They were looking for the database, data structure, algorithm, all these basic computer science course set, as well as some of the hot topics like artificial intelligence, machine learning. So if you want to build your career as a AIML engineer, first you have to concentrate on the coding skill. Then you have to go for some kind of database management system, data structure, algorithm, as well as the artificial intelligence, machine learning, those important topics, and also the Python programming. But one of the key difference this particular curriculum with the other, that is that there are 2 volumes of Python programming. That is in the 3rd semester as well as 4th semester. That is Python part 1 and Python part 2.
Okay, sir. Can you just elaborate this like 2 parts Python?
Yes, Python. There is the initial part is related to NumPy, and second part is basically related to some kind of machine learning tools.
Okay, like first part is like more over cleaning and data analysis part over that.
There, right.
And the second part
is more related to the
ML algorithms and those. Okay, so
if you want to prepare yourself as a ML engineer or AI architect, so there is a provision that you need to prepare some kind of web-based tool, ML tool. So web technology is very, very important. And in this particular curriculum, we have introduced this extracurriculum activities that is called full stack, training with the full stack technology.
Okay.
In parallel with this university curriculum. That is the key feature of this particular B.Tech CSE-AIML program.
So, sir, this is like everyone is talking about like AI is replacing the web design part, and that's all. So how like learning that full stack?
No, that is not the thing. The thing is that, for example, you have a 70 or 65 students in a classroom, right?
Okay.
And in traditional days, what we see basically, if some faculty members come to the college and taking the classes, after that they are basically taking the attendance with the register, right?
Yes,
roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3, and
yes,
4,
sir,
right? It will take for 70 people near about 5 to 10 minutes. So within a 50 minutes class, 10 minutes have been lost, right?
Yeah.
So you can speed up the entire thing with the help of AIML. How? So you know that some kind of convolutional neural network model. You have a smartphone. You take a picture of all students. You have a classification algorithm. Already all of your faces are there in the training set.
Like face recognition model.
Yes, if you take a snap, and automatically the attendance will come to the part.
Wow, like
so if you build app, and that is well supported by AIML, so that can be done by an industry, and you people can be taken as a project, capstone project. So that is the beauty of AIML, and if you apply the web technology, amalgamate with this AIML, that will be a really great skill. Now, very important part is that lot of jobs are there, but skillful employee, there is a huge crisis. There is a huge crisis in the skilled employees.
Okay, sir. Sir, you just said there is a huge crisis. So, sir, I just want to know that in NSEC, learning and pursuing the course B.Tech CSE-AIML, how we will become a good engineer, how we will be sustaining the industry, and how we will just be job ready.
Yeah.
In that case.
Before going to that part, you answer session in that whatever the question that you asked for. At first, we have to you need to know about the history. What is the history? That in 2010, 2005, those era is basically Industry 4.0. What is the Industry 4.0? That means automation and digitization, right?
Okay.
Smart automation. At that time, IoT comes to the picture. Little bit of AI is there, right? In 2015 and 2010, that particular transition is for the Industry 5.0. Right now, we are basically in the transition phase. What is Industry 5.0? Industry 5.0 is something like that man and machine works together. Man and machine works together. That means you are a man, you are working over here, and I am a machine, I am working with you. So that means less amount of human intervention will be there.
Like more like accelerating the workforce, and the time consumption is less in that case.
Now, 2020 onward, when COVID comes, after that, there is another revolution. We are basically in the transition phase. What is the revolution? That means Industry 5.0 to Industry 6.0. What Industry 6.0 tells about that? That less amount of human intervention will be required. Now, less amount of human intervention basically gives you the architecture of cybersecurity, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and one more important thing is that quantum machine learning. Quantum comes to the part. Now, in next if you look at the next 10 years, right now, if I'll give you a data, so near about overall AIML market in world, 300 billion US dollar. 300 billion US dollar.
It's just a big
Right?
number.
And in 2032, as per the NASSCOM's report, it will be reaching near about 3,000, from 300 to 10 times, 3,000 billion US dollar. And there is a very important parameter that is called CAGR, compound annual growth rate, that will be near about 40%.
It's spiking.
Yes. In India, there is a very, very promising future. That means right now the market size is 8 billion US dollar. And it will be reaching near about 50 billion US dollar in 2032. That means near about 50%, that is CAGR. So huge amount of jobs will be created in the domain of AIML in Southeast Asia, as well as India, and also the US and general all over the world. So what are the roles, job roles? Now go back to your seniors data, that is placed students data, that is assistant system engineer in TCS or Cognizant, or system engineer or associate system engineer. Now this set of designations becomes obsolete in AIML domain. Now, what are the roles? AI architect.
So like new roles are coming out.
Yes, AI architect, machine learning engineer, NLP engineer, vision engineer, data scientist, data science manager. Those roles will come to the picture, and the average salary near about 15 lakhs per annum, and minimum salary starts from 8 to 10 lakhs, maximum salary up to few crores. So that is the future of AIML, and if you want to go through these particular technologies, then you need to know about the mathematical backbone and also the fundamental of the computer science, like data structure, algorithm, database, and also the coding skill.
Okay, sir. So like when my brothers, like my juniors ask me, they are just in the first year, and they like ask me, we know nothing, how we will manage, and in this hectic period, like there are lots of assignments, and that's also when how should we focus on our skill set, like upskilling ourselves in the domain of NLP or computer vision, whichever we choose. Like how should we step up ourselves?
Yes, but it starts from the basic foundation, starts from the school level. After class 12 level, there is a transition. So first year is very important. Physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, these three, as well as the coding skills are there. So first year, all those papers, even in the drawing, all those papers are very, very important. Electrical engineering, right? Basic of electrical. So these are the key ingredients, because first year is the prerequisite of second year. Second year is the prerequisite of third year. And fourth year gives you the specialization. If you want to be specialized in the domain of NLP or vision engineering, you need this set of prerequisite. So mathematics and physics are the key ingredients if you want to be a master in the domain of AIML. And yes, it's very important that university syllabus will not change frequently after 10 years.
Yeah.
But in our department and in our college, we have provided a platform. That platform is called the value-added programs. Bunch of value-added programs, because industry changes every year. So based on the industry needs, we have introduced some programs that I told you. That is one of the important tool is the full stack web-based tool. And also we learned some sort of NLP laboratories, cyber security laboratories. Those things are basically running in parallel as a domain knowledge program. Android application development. So everything's are there, right? So that will be amalgamated with the MACOUT syllabus or university syllabus. So if someone wants to join, they have to run in both the particular courses in parallel. So semester breaks are there. Each semester break, we have introduced those value-added programs, and students can run. If there is a gap, those gap can be identified, and it will be really, basically, it will be overcome with the help of those technologies.
Yes, sir, absolutely right. It's absolutely right, sir. So like we have some good faculties, and I personally experienced that we have some very good faculties, and like DSA and machine learning, we learned very well in this curriculum. But sir, if I am just from transitioning from second year to third year, so if I just think like aiming like grabbing some internship in around the sixth semester, so how should I prepare and focus myself in this upcoming fifth semester?
Very, very good question and very relevant question. For example, if you want to build your career as a AI or ML engineer or as a interns, or that is also known as internship. Internship starts from second year, third year. So what you have to do at first, you have to know the company that you are interested. So every year, near about 120 companies come to the college. In the domain of AI/ML also there. So you have to explore what type of company is coming. You have to explore that company. Next step is that you have to prepare your CV in such a way, just like the KYC. Know your customer.
Okay.
Just like know your customer. That means you prepare your CV in such a way that by reading that particular CV by unknown person, they can recognize you. Yes, this is Himadri.
Okay.
Right. So this is the thing that you have to prepare at first. Then you have your representation. That is your presentation. Your body language that can be represented in terms of soft skill. We have a lot of soft skill programs. We have image coaching class through which you can be a presentable person in front of the expert panel. After that, they will assess your aptitude. What is the data that is 70% of the students have been totally rejected in the aptitude session. That is 70% student. After the rest of the 30% student basically plays. So if you improve the aptitude skill, that means reasoning, quantitative aptitude, all those things are very, very important. After that, the technical questionnaires will come. Now, if you look at that particular technical questions in the domain of AI/ML, as I told you, the algorithm, graph theory, from those, this set of computer networks, database management system, soft computing, deep learning, all those questions are coming. And most importantly, you have to prepare a project, final dissertation. Very, very important. That is the innovation, exhibition of innovations. That we have a IIC cell, we have a various technical clubs. So from first year, students are engaged with those clubs so that they can show their innovations through some kind of exhibition. For example, hackathon. Right. So if you prepare a project at the very beginning level, and then you have an idea that how to represent a project, how to code the particular project, how to write the report, these skills are very, very important. Writing skills, ability to present the entire thing in form of seminar, in form of group work. So all those things are there. So that can be done from the second year onwards. And if you have all those things, then you can easily get an internship or internship. Lot of companies are there, for example, NVIDIA, Databricks, Anthropic, Alphabet, and Drill. So these are the fractal analysis. All these are related to AI/ML domain. Even TCS, CTS, all those consultancy-based companies, they have a AI/ML wing. They have actually launched it. Larsen & Toubro, L&T Mindtree. So they have also the AI/ML wing. So these are the very important companies. And if you Google, as I told you, that Alphabet is a part of the Google, right? Anthropic. So these companies are very, very OpenAI. That is the ChatGPT. You know it, right? OpenAI is a very important company. So these companies, even if you look at your seniors, one of your seniors already got a very prestigious offer from Scooplay. It's a gaming organization, AI gaming.
Wow, it's a big news.
As an AI architect. At the very beginning of internship level, they got the offer of AI architect. One of your seniors got actually achieved that particular performance from the CodeShape. Have you heard the name of CodeShape? I think so.
Yeah, yes.
CodeShape, a very prestigious TCS, Code Vita. So Code Vita actually ranked within 25th out of 4 lakh participants. Total 94 countries, participants from the 94 countries participated in that contest.
And
So this kind of preparation, if you involve all those CodeShape chapters, even in the various technical clubs, and regularly this kind of exercise are going on. If you actively involved in this 4 years, even in 3 years, because 4th year is a buffer, then you will be industry ready.
So, okay, sir, it's a nice thing like coming to NSEC and just you entered NSEC and you have set a path to become a good level engineer, a sustainable engineer. So I have my last question to you, sir. Like a student like me who is not sure about like going for a big deep role like NLP or computer vision or like that. So what would be your final advice for us?
So for new aspirants, I must say that this is a message that you have to concentrate on the first year study, first year academics. So very, very important. That is the fundamental of all the prerequisite. You have to concentrate on the coding skill. You have to concentrate on the basic mathematics. Maybe there is some sort of gap in the higher secondary or class 10 level. So that can be totally resolved in this first year. We have a very experienced faculty members, and physics is very important, basic electrical engineering, those papers are very, very important because these are the key ingredients of second year. If you learn it very well, automatically second year you will get AI, machine learning, computer architecture, all those are very easy to you. And if you do we have a faculty members in AI/ML department. If you just explore the website, you can see there's a very much versatile. Lot of researches they have done in the key part of the AI/ML domain, right? Deep learning, vision technology, all
Yes,
those
sir.
things. So there are multiple disciplinary. They have applied their knowledge. So students, they can involve with the associated with the faculty members and run the projects. So that can be a very, very good practice. And in near future, it is quite help them to get a job.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.